21, 21, 17, 17, 22, 21. I'm at. It's only what's his face? I'll check after this. It kind of seems like a Demon Hunter thing, though. I've already forgotten what it looks like. I guess I don't have it, huh? What's the deal with this one? what's the deal with this one? Why is this one why is this one blinking and the other ones like aren't? I always see that one. Like I never understand. Oh, I remember what it is now. With the streamers. Is this one it? No. This one. It's available in the shop. A twisty, shadowy ribbon is often the last thing her enemies see. Some Demon Hunter bullshit. Wow, cool, the mirror. I'm gonna keep this dirty rat so that I can eat their stuff. This isn't Grateful Dead. I do like the song a lot, though, so I guess we should keep this up. We could listen to all the songs that are involved with gravity. Get some Maya Sakamoto in the playlist because Spotify doesn't want to own any of her music. Two kept cards. But that is probably my favorite Gravity named song. Oh, excuse me. Hello? Hmm. Hmm. This could be the brand. Nailed it. We still have to actually cast the cards, which I still consider a pretty great folly. I'll decide here. It's a pretty awkward Blade Storm for them. It's a pretty reasonable Trial by Fire. And give myself an epic to follow up if this does wind up being Trial by Fire. If it is Trial by Fire, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full clear into me regaining initiative with this thing, I guess. It's not crazy, but it's a good opportunity to keep up pressure. We won the first fight, which is having Bran. And we have Bran by virtue of them not having Bran. I've got Zilliax, I've got Boom. We're just waiting for what's-his-face now. Hello, old friend. Fun fact, Stranglethorn Tiger was like one of my favorite cards when I first started the game. Legitimately too good of a card. Could be Reno. Okay. Ragnaros. Close. Ragnaros. Close. Which one do I actually want? I want this so that the game thinks that, like, it's not that big of a deal if I have it, and then it'll just give me the draw for the thing. The game will be like, oh, Reno's already shut off because there's a Boom Boss in play. It's not that big of a deal. Genius mode. You gotta let RNG Jesus know. You know, it's not that big a deal. Like, who cares? I don't even care if I have Reno. Reno, who's that? Am I going to attack twice? I'm almost certainly going to attack twice. Because this doesn't really match up time-wise. This guy's not that helpful. Attacking twice here is reasonable because these work in instances of, like,